plus d square minus 4d minus 4 whole into y is equal to 3 into e power minus x minus 4x minus 6. Here directly they have given in the form of differential operator. Write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m cube plus m square minus 4m minus 4 is equal to 0. In the first two, I will take m square as a common, so remaining will be m plus 1 minus 4 in the third and the fourth, that is minus 4 of m plus 1 is equal to 0. Again m plus 1 into m square minus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 1 and second one m is equal to plus or minus 2. Now this both will comes under the case 1, that is um, distinct roots, means different roots. So yc is equal to c1 e power minus x, c2 e power minus 2x, c3 e power 2x. This both comes under the case 1. Now write yp. Yp is equal to 3 into e power minus x minus 4x minus 6 divided by d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4. So I split this one, e power minus x, here d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4 minus 4x divided by d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4. Last one, here nothing is there, means we can write e power 0x. So d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4. Now I call this one as a P1 plus P2 plus P3. Now first one P1. So e power minus x divided by d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4. Here our a value is minus 1. So we have to write in the place of d minus 1. So 3 into e power minus x divided by minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So here minus 1 plus 1 0, minus into minus plus 4 minus 4 is also 0. So I write denominator is equal to 0. So 3 into x into e power minus x, differentiation of the f of d, 3d square plus 2d minus 4. So now we can substitute again d is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1, again here minus 4. So 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So here minus 3 will get cancelled. We get minus x into e power minus x for P1. Next P2 minus 4x divided by d cube plus d square minus 4d minus 4. Here we have to use the division method. So I write here minus 4 minus 4d plus d square plus d cube. Here I write here I write minus 4x only. Minus 4x. Okay. Now to get minus 4x, we have to multiply with the 4x. So x into minus 4 is minus 4x. Now first differentiation of the x is 1. So here we get only minus 4. So here d square is there, we have only x. So first differentiation of x is 1. Second differentiation 0. So both second and third differentiation we get 0 for x. Now when we are doing the division method, please change the sign here. Don't forget to change the sign. So minus here, minus we have, so change the sign to plus. So this both will get cancelled. Again here plus 4. Now to get plus 4, we have to multiply minus 4 into minus 1. So here we get 4. Again change the sign 0 because differentiation of the constant term is 0. So we get here P2 is equal to x minus 1 because minus also I considered. So I got x minus 1. Now P3 minus 6 e power 0x. Wherever d is there, we have to substitute 0. Here I got minus 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. So 3 by 2. Say 2 3s are 2 2s are. E power 0x means 1. Therefore, here I write yp is equal to p1 means x into e power minus x. P2 means x minus 1 because I have taken with the sign minus 4x. So when you are taking with the sign, make it change. Here minus, if you are taking, don't mention here minus. If you are not taking minus, then you have to mention minus sign. Better if you are taking the P2 value with the sign only. P2 and P3. Now P3 is plus 3 by 2. So here x in minus x into e power minus x plus x. Again 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. So we get here c1 e power minus x, c2 e power minus 2x plus c3 e power 2x plus yp is minus x into e power minus x plus 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Divided by dx square plus 4y is equal to x square plus cos 2x plus 2 power minus x. So here we write the differential operator d square. Here I will write d square plus 4 whole into y is equal to x square plus cos 2x plus e power 2 power minus x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So we get m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Yc is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x because p value we have 0 here. So I write e power 0x. Now yp. So here only I segregate x square divided by d square plus 4 plus cos 2x divided by d square plus 4 plus 2 power minus x divided by d square plus 4. For this one I call p1 plus p2 plus p3. So here p1 is x square divided by d square plus 4. So we have to write the division method x square 4 plus d square here with the least degree. So for this x square, to get x square, I just write x square by 4. So 4 will get cancelled. We get x square plus double differentiation of x square by 4. So here first differentiation 2x divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Second differentiation is 1 by 2. So I write here 1 by 2. Change the sign because here we are having plus. So here we got minus 1 by 2. Again to get minus 1 by 2, here I write 1 by 8 because 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. So constant differentiation, that we will get 0. So here I write directly 0. Change the sign, 0. So P1 value is x square by 4 minus 1 by 8. Next P2. Here our d square should be replaced by a value is 2, d square replaced by minus a square, that is minus 4. So cos 2x divided by minus 4 plus 4. So denominator here it will become 0. That is equal to x into cos 2x divided by differentiation of f of d is 2d. So as I told, the reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. So we get x into sin 2x divided by 4. This is the P2 value. Next P3. Here we have to write e power minus log 2 into x. For 2 power minus x, we can write e power minus log 2 into x divided by d square plus 4. Here our a value is minus log 2 whole square plus 4. So we get 2 power minus x divided by log 2 whole square plus 4. Log 2 whole square plus 4. Now yp is equal to x square by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus x into sin 2x divided by 4 plus 2 power minus x divided by log 2 whole square plus 4. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 cos 2x, c2 sin 2x plus x square by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus x into sin 2x divided by 4 plus 2 power minus x divided by log 2 whole square plus 4. This is the final answer for this. D square y divided by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to e power 2x plus cos 2x plus 4. Here also differential operator d square minus 4d plus 4 whole into y is equal to cos 2x plus e power 2x plus cos 2x plus 4. Again, auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So m is equal to 2 comma 2. Repeated roots means this comes under the case 2. So c1 plus c2x into e power 2x. Yp e power 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Again plus cos 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 4, nothing is there means we can consider e power 0x d square minus 4d plus 4. Now first we have to substitute. It is the type 1. First it is in the type 1, type 2, again here I write type 1, type 2, again type 1. So here our A value is 2. So I write here A is equal to 2. So here 4 minus 8 plus 4. So here I write denominator is equal to 0. Denominator is equal to 0. A is equal to 2 plus cos 2x. Wait a minute. Instead of writing this one, I write P1 plus P2 plus P3. So for P1, e power 2x divided by, here A is equal to 2. So 4 minus 8 plus 4. So here we get e power 2x divided by denominator is equal to 0. So e power x into e power 2x divided by differentiation of the f of d means 2d minus 4. Again x into e power 2x, a is equal to 2, 4 minus 4. Again denominator is equal to 0. So instead of x we write x square e power 2x differentiation of the f dash of d, that is only 2. So we got x square e power 2x divided by 2. Next P2 cos 2x divided by, here also a is equal to 2, d square must be replaced by minus a square means minus 4. So here also minus 4 minus 4d plus 4, 4 get cancelled, minus 1 by 4 integration of cos 2x, because reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So here minus 1 by 4 integration is sin 2x divided by 2. So we get minus sin 2x divided by 8. Next P3, 4 into e power 0x is 1. So here a value is 0. So wherever d is there, we have to substitute 0. So remaining 4. So P3 value is 1. Therefore Yp is equal to x square e power 2x divided by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 8 plus 1. Thus y is equal to yc plus yp. C1 plus C2x e power 2x. Yp is x square e power 2x divided by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 8 plus 1. This is the solution. So take down this problem. D square y divided by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 25y is equal to e power 2x plus sin x plus x. First write in the form of differential operator. D square minus 6d plus 25 into y is equal to e power 2x plus sin x plus x. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 25 is equal to 0. For this we have to apply quadratic equation formula, that is m is equal to, our a value is 1, b value is minus 6, c value is 25, minus b, minus into minus 6 plus or minus 36, 4 into 25 is 100 divided by 2. So 6 plus or minus 8i divided by 2, that is equal to 3 plus or minus 4i. Yc is equal to C1. This comes under the case 3. C1 cos 4x plus C2 sin 4x whole into e power 3x. Yp. Individually I will take e power 2x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25 plus sin x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25 plus x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. So I will take P1 plus P2 plus P3. First we will find out the P1. E power 2x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. Here a is equal to 2. So we get e power 2x divided by 4 minus 12 plus 25. So 12 minus 4 is minus 8. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 25 is 17. So this is the P1. Next P2. Sin x divided by, here a is equal to 1, d square will be replaced by minus 1. So minus 1 minus 6d plus 25. So sin x divided by minus 6d plus 24. So I will take minus 1 by 6 as a common. So remaining sin x divided by d minus 4. So rationalization is d plus 4 divided by d plus 4. So minus 1 by 6 here, d square minus 16 in the denominator, d into sin x plus 4 sin x. So minus 1 by 6, differentiation of the sin x is cos x, plus 4 sin x I will write as it is, divided by minus 1 minus 16. So cos x plus 4 sin x divided by 6 into 17. What is the value of 17 6? 17 6? Yes. What is the value of 17 6? Anyone?
Not 2, ma'am.
Yes, 1 not 2. So minus 17 into 6 is minus 1 not 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. Remaining will be 1 not 2. Next, P3, that is x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. So use the division method. 25 minus 6d plus d square. Here I will write x. So I just multiply 25 with x by 25. So 25 will get cancelled. We get x. Next, first differentiation. 6. So x differentiation is 1. Differentiation of x by 25 is 1 by 25. So I get minus 6 by 25. Change the sign here also. So we get 6 by 25. Now to get 6 by 25, I have to multiply 6 divided by 625 because 25 into 25 625. So 25 ones are 25, 25s are. We will get 625. So here again 625. Change the sign. Here we get 0. Differentiation of the constant term is 0. So P3 is equal to x by 25 plus 6 by 625. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 cos 4x, c2 sin 4x, e power 3x plus p1 is e power 2x divided by 17, p2 cos x plus 4 sin x divided by 102 plus p3 x by 25 plus 6 by 625. This is the final answer. Divided by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to e power 2x plus cos x plus 4. Here also they have given in the form of equation. First we have to write in the differential operator form d square minus 4d plus 4 whole into y is equal to e power 2x plus cos x plus 4. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. That is equal to, that implies m is equal to 2 comma 2. Yc is equal to, this comes under the case 2 repeated roots c1 plus c2x into e power 2x yp. So here I write the yp individually. E power 2x d square minus 4d plus 4 cos x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 4. Here we can write e power 0x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here I write p1 plus p2 plus p3. p1 is equal to e power 2x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here a is equal to 2. So e power 2x divided by 4 minus 8 plus 4. That means denominator is equal to 0. When denominator is equal to 0, we have to multiply the numerator with x into e power 2x divided by differentiation of f of d, 2d minus 4. X into e power 2x divided by 4 minus 4. Denominator is equal to 0. X square e power 2x, differentiation of this f dash of d is 2. So we get the same. Now p2 cos x divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here a is equal to 1. So d square should be replaced by minus 1. Cos x divided by minus 1 minus 4d plus 4. Again here cos x minus 4d plus 3. So I take minus as a common. So in the denominator, so we get cos x divided by 4d minus 3 into 4d plus 3 divided by 4d plus 3 minus 4 differentiation of cos x plus 3 cos x divided by 16d square minus 9. So minus 4, here minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x plus 3 cos x. As I told, minus 16 minus 9. So here we get 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Here I write outside this minus only divided by minus 25. Minus minus will get cancelled. So here 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 25. This is P2. Next, P3. So our D is equal to A, means our A value is 0. So we get 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, Y is equal to YC plus YP. So we get C1 plus C2x e power 2x. P1 value is x square e power 2x divided by 2. P2 is 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 25. P3 value is 1. This is the solution. Minus 3d d square minus 3d plus 2 whole into y is equal to 2x square plus sine 2x. 2x square plus sine 2x. So here we can start with the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m minus 1 again m minus 2. These are the factors. So m is equal to 1 comma 2. Here you can take 2 minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1. So yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Next comes yp. 2x square divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Again sine 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. So this I call it as a P1 and this one as a P2. So P1 2x square divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. We have to use the division method. So I write here 2 square. Here 2 minus 3d plus d square. To get 2x square, I have to multiply this 2 with x square. So I get here 2x square. Next, minus 3d of 2x square. So minus 3 into x square, differentiation is 2x, 2 into 2, 4, 4x. So here I get minus 12x. Minus 12x. Next, d square of x square means differentiation of d square is 2x. Next differentiation is 2. So write here plus 2. Now it is very important to change the sign. It is very important. So here we get minus 12x. Here we get 2. Now to get minus 12x, here we have to multiply by 6x. 6 into 2, 12. So minus 12x, again 6 3s are 18, differentiation of the x is 1. So minus into minus plus 18. Again change the sign. So here minus 20 because minus 2 minus 18. Multiply with the minus 10. 10 into 2, 20. Here change the sign. We get plus. So P1 is equal to x square minus 6x minus 10. This is the solution for the P1. Next, P2. Sin 2x divided by d square minus 3d plus 2. Here a value is 2. So d square should be replaced by minus 4. So sin 2x divided by minus 4 minus 3d plus 2. So sin 2x divided by minus 3d minus 2. I take minus as a common from the denominator. So we get 3d plus 2. Rationalization. So sine 2x divided by 3d plus 2 into 3d minus 2 divided by 3d minus 2. So minus of 3 into differentiation of the sine 2x minus 2 into sine 2x in the denominator 9d square minus 4 because it is in the form a plus b into a minus b minus of so sine 2x 3 into 2 into cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by 9 into minus 4 minus 4. So here 6 cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x divided by minus 40. Minus minus will get cancelled. Remaining I take 2 as a common. So 3 cos 2x minus sine 2x divided by 40. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So 3 into cos 2x minus sine 2x divided by 20. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. C1 e power x, C2 e power 2x, yp in that first one p1 x square minus 6x minus 10, p2 3 cos 2x minus sine 2x whole divided by 20. This square. So here I should get minus 3 into 2x, that is minus 6x. Here minus 6x. So to get minus 6x, I have to write here minus 3. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x. Again 3 into 3, 9. Here 9 square. Here again 2 minus 3d plus d square. So first one here x square. So 2x square minus again minus 3d of x square is minus into 3 into 2x is minus 6x. Here minus 6x. Next, double differentiation of the x square is 2. So here I write 2. Again 6x plus 2. So here plus 3x. So minus 3d of 3x is minus 9. First term here I will write 6x. Again in the second term minus 9. Third, d square of 3x is 0. So change the sign. Here I get 11. So plus to get 11. Here I have to, what I have to mention here? What I have to mention?
11 by 2, ma'am.
11 by 2. Yes, 11 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Here it is 11. So our P1 value, please make a change in your notes. X square plus 3x plus 11 by 2. X square plus 3x plus 11 by 2. Make a change in your notebook.